You're gonna soon Grand Central now. Oh God! There's another one. I'm gonna film this one.
You mean bus or Gus?
I can go on the replacement bus. What do you mean Gus? Gus from Ryan's World?
Gospel like.
Gospel. Oh, it's blue doors. Nice.
Oh, all the blue door sets.
Oh, and it's going to King's Cross. And these are the green door sets.
Yeah, I prefer the blue door sets not going on.
Yeah, they're better.
It suits more with the train. Oh, I hear it.
There she is.
There, my girl is. Let's see if we get two. Get two. There she is. Hey! Oh my God.
37. This is the Letchworth Garden City train.
I'm gonna get a quick picture.
Okay, I'm not going.
I'm going to get a picture.
Oh.